Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, there's timing. Yeah, just so you know, this the after the first hour, so 10:30 Eastern to 11:30 Eastern. People are asking when
Yeah, I saw that comment.
people. Um, wow, crude's just falling out of bed.
Yeah. What are your thoughts on NASDAQ? Looks like we've got some trades on NASDAQ, huh?
I think crude's dragging down stocks right now. It looked like it
Yeah.
was going to break out, but it failed. Yeah, it had a bunch of long. The pre-market is so whippy, and then once the market opens, it's all over the place. It's kind of
Yeah.
got to get better entry so you can hang on for that. Hang on for the wildness. Like, look at that candle. Went up, came all the way down, and came back up again.
Yes, sir. This is a short here, though, on ASI.
Yeah, it's a interesting area. Really needs a hold right in here. Let's go through the charts daily. We've had our couple day sell off. They're definitely trying to hold it up today. We've got a 4 hour bounce off the bottom band. That was actually overnight. Wish one of these times it does that when you're sitting here, right? The system's on.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely have the rate of change. These red bands I call the rate of change. So they're definitely trying to hook around now. I think once crude turns, we'll take out that 43.97 high.
What news do we have today?
It just initial claims already came out, so I think there'll be a lot of positioning for tomorrow's unemployment. Oh, the initial claims this past month have come in. There's ways that obviously um, you can obviously track it. So I think employment numbers will be okay,
Yeah.
as expected. I don't think they'll beat, but where's my bond chart? Yeah, here's the 10-year note. So this is a 1 hour chart. It had an overnight swoon. I guess the German Bund, which is their German 10-year, had a pretty huge sell-off again. The rates went up, and then it seems like it's reversed in bonds across the world. So we'll see. But definitely seems like crude is dragging down the stocks. Let's go daily S&P. Just trying to hold 4 hour. So how that works is you'll have these sell-offs, and then when you're in an uptrend, you have the sell-offs, and then you get these relief rallies. I'm not sure if we've sold off enough, but depending on today's close is what tomorrow will be like. So if they can close at, I would probably say 80 or higher on the NASDAQ, I get some ramp fest tomorrow. Definitely a little soggy on the 4 hour and 1 hour. You can still see the sellers. This is a 1 hour chart. Remember, those are bigger traders. So look at those wicks, big up moves, and then they sold into it. If we can work through this and close above that today, those guys will cover, which will jam us up to here tomorrow. Epic battle though. This morning the ladder was going crazy. I guess every morning it does, but go to a 1 minute. You got a buy limit in? Okay. You want that number? It's 37. Oops. Oh, so a little bit of a sawtooth going up, but it's to be expected. Go look at the dollar. 4 hour, same thing. This massive, basically since Thanksgiving, support area. So 18 stop seems a lot. What do you think? Um, see if we can get the top band. We'll hit a profit target. Wow, look at that 5 minute, how steep that is. It got below everything there. Is that the right profit target? Because it's at 10 right now. Are you muted?
Yep.
Is the right profit target? Okay.
See if it gives it to us again.
Dare I pull up the 1 minute? Still heavy, huh?
Yeah, still seems a little heavy.
Maybe stocks will drag it up. They just took off.
Today.
Still pretty strong on the stocks.
Yeah.
That's the right spot where it should have held. Should make a new high now. I'd like to see it pull back and get some type of entry.
Yeah. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's a weak candle. That first 5 minute, but
If we would have had our stops adjusted right, we would have had full profit.
was that?
I still think we will, though. I still think it'll retest that 48 high, but it's just weak. So
Well, fighting the trend, so it's gonna sit and then it's gonna finally just rip, right? One way or another. Most likely up. Let's see here. Does that get flat? Okay. It's pretty ugly 4 hour.
yeah, it's a really ugly 4 hour. Go to a 1 minute real quick on crude. Yeah, what level's that? What's that low?
14. Because it's made so many drives lower.
Not that low. The low that's right there, kind of 32-ish.
This one here,
Yeah.
35.
Low. Not the high. Not the high.
That's 35.
Bottom of those wicks. Okay.
35.
That's about 30.
I don't know, I think the sell-off's done. Because what you see is you get that bounce and then kind of plummet right away. Now it's drifting sideways. It's drifting sideways.
Yeah.
Leave the 5 minute back. You want the 5 minute back up?
Yeah. If it takes out that 33, though, it's going lower.
Should get a new day high on the NASI. S&P almost at Day high there. There it goes.
What's the new day high?
S&P. Well, I don't know. Let's see.
Little wink, wink.
You're long? You?
No.
Yes, you are. What did you do?
I have no
You
idea.
change your stop?
I got flat, yeah.
Okay.
How did that happen? Just fix it right away.
Just kind of
Somehow,
slow.
well, no, I put my stop in, but somehow it got me flat. Did you get flat?
Nope. You did a limit, not a stop.
So we should be short this right now. Okay. You're like, just worry about getting in.
Exactly.
Retested those lows here on crude.
Right.
Got some buyers down here, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's a good retest.
Yeah.
Going down.
Elevator.
Well, gonna waterfall, right? Good
Yeah.
grief. Good grief, Charlie Brown.
Our short was at 59.33, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's what we expected to happen.
30. Right. Yeah, 33. It's all right. Next one, right?
Jerry, the reason is because your software is hooked up to your practice account. You need it hooked up to your combine.
And I
When
would
you enter in your username and password, you have to put your combine username and password in the box.
and I would recommend separate computers. I mean, you can't cross the streams, as they say in Ghostbusters. You know, you have a practice T4 up and then a MTG to your combine. I guess it's possible.
Yeah.
It's a interesting configuration.
Yeah.
But you should just make sure it'll come up whatever your combine account is. You know, PR is practice. So if that's your login, that'll be your practice account. Versus if it's your combine, it's a different account. So it's and I would what you can only log in. Don't toggle back and forth with the MTG app.
Yeah.
It only trades to where you log in. So when you turn it on, you log in. You have to type in a password. Seems to be holding.
Yeah. Pushing the lows.
No, I mean the NASDAQ.
You see where to get long on the 43.76 area? Oh, you're on 1 minute. Sorry.
I'll go to the 5.
Right there.
Yeah, I mean that one's tough because it closed and opened and it never looked back. So
That's fine. See if crude's going to hold here.
get the close to a breakout. NASDAQ.
Broad market's got a mind of their own today, huh?
Yeah, it's bottom day. When it start rallying on air like this and like this, it's like okay, they're done with the sell-off. Back to 4,400. See if we can get crude turn.
Yeah, exactly.
You would think print a new low there, it would drag out some sellers, but no can do.
More constructive is the bottom right here, the way it's setting out.
It's a weak new low.
Yeah. Slowing momentum to the downside.
Exactly. After all that rally, Dow's up 45.
The Dow's up what?
45 points, which is pretty much noise. So after a decent sell off if you look on a, like, let's say a 4 hour daily. We've had this sell off. You look at how prior bottoms are formed. You've got kind of that, like I say, when you do the knife catching, you drop the knife on the table and it's vibrating. When it stops vibrating, it's like straight up.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see in the 4 hour. Just wonder if they're going to do one of these. You need me to zoom in a little? Is that the right price? You got 33.
34, right? Yeah, I want to take a look.
33, yep. And the stop?
Looking for 10, usual. Actually, I think this is going to run.
I'm just putting a stop in. What is it? Long at 34. Let's do 20. If that was the bottom, you would think that might get a serious rally out of this.
Yeah. 50 cents.
Right. You got any, I don't follow the oscillators, but you got any divergences or anything?
You know me, dude. I don't look at that stuff. That's all you.
What?
You
I don't have it
and
either.
Lewis.
That's why I'm asking you.
I want to see how this interacts with 40.
Oh, wait, I have, not really. Definitely has to take out 44.
Yeah.
No, the hashtag. Let's go back and look at, or do you need to, oh,
No,
just
no,
slide it.
I'm good. See if we get a close above the PMA too. That'd be good.
Why is it so slow?
got to happen right here.
Right. I mean, you could cut it if you want. That's the, what's that low?
Yeah, I mean, that's where your stop needs to be.
25?
Yeah.
Is that too?
Nope. Takes that out, it's water falling down to those lows.
Just hope it doesn't tick it and rip. But that's a pretty, it's a failed candle kind of in 5 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, you can look at the you can see on the market, it's kind of still stuck in that topping range. You could also see they added on a lot of stuff here, so you can see they have Brent. Brent's been rallying a lot more than regular West Texas.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Metals have rallied a little bit. Grains are down. Meats are bouncing back. It's kind of a mixed bag on the dollar.
Yeah. Yeah.
The 10-year seems to be holding that 127 area. Dollar's kind of holding, but I really like to see on this.
Here we go, crude. Come on, baby.
Go break even, maybe.
Not yet.
So if bonds can start to rally, they actually have, here's an hourly chart. Bonds can start to rally, that could let the stock market go. And then I want to show you guys, Boris and Kathy are from Daily FX, and they have a 2-day training session for $2,000. He's pretty good. She's more like macro swing, like long-term trade, like you're in a trade for a month. So, you know, they've got strategy review, pretty similar to stuff that we did. I think we were a little more with the actual hands-on part. So, if you guys want to fly out to New York and learn how to trade Forex, right?
Have fun. If we got to print, if we got to close, yeah, if we got to close up here, we'll be good.
Well, I'm going to go break even. I just have to fix my charts. Wait. Did it not go in?
I'm not seeing a break even.
What was that entry? 34?
I got it. Oh, I just did too. It didn't take.
You didn't, yeah, 34. I don't know, it's $160, dude, for out of the gate.
I think we have a low today, man.
Ooh, that's a tough one.
You don't think so?
Yeah, probably, but I don't know. It's so bearish now. Like all the slopes are down, so it may not be. it may break even, stop us out, and then rip
Nah.
50 cents. It's where you wish you had the 2 lot on. You know.
See it take out that high. Once it trades above 54, you can adjust your stop to the low of the
Did it
candle.
get canceled? Why? Oh, you're breaking.
I
Okay,
did.
put in. Okay. It's a modify stop. Not what I wanted. See if the euro can rally. That could help the cause, maybe. Because we've had this down move in the euro, and then obviously you've had a down move here in crude. That's dollar based.
Out.
Yep.
We're getting close to the bottom.
Because it's such the big down move, yeah, it won't be easy, right?
So, definitely a weak candle there, that's for sure, actually.
Mm-hmm. These aggressively downsloping reds are, you don't get the ramp to here until this starts to turn. See it on the 1 minute.
If this breaks 25, it's going to...
I think it's a normal back and fill test,
Yeah.
but it's going to do it with time. I kind of feel like yesterday's blow off top was at least over the short term. Oil's major run might be done.
Yeah.
You know, I think that top might be a high for a couple weeks. Just the way it crescendoed and fell apart instantly. It's just,
Yeah.
at least go down to 57 something.
Yeah.
But trading the 5 minute, that's It's kind of normal movement, right?
Yeah, that's just breathing.
It's good to be king. Blackstone raised $17 billion for a fund to start
Startup.
a startup for 17 million. It's an LBO fund, so
See if this breaks here.
go to the 1 minute. Wait, we have Monday and Thursday. Thursday at 10. We missed that. Or did that come out already?
What's that?
Those Glencore numbers come out Monday and Thursday.
Oh, I didn't. Based on this move, I'm not seeing it.
No, that's this candle. So maybe that up move, there was a nuanced draw. I don't know. I think those guys use all that stuff. They all have insider kind of contacts, and they use that information for.
See if crude gets some gusto here and decides to break out.
You almost want to see it just kind of mark a little more time and then blow out.
Yeah. There we go.
Wait, let me see something. Oh, I get it.
What's that?
35.
Yeah. Let's see how this candle finishes here. Come on, crude, baby.
One thing about it is these 5-minute candles are, after that down move should be, one of these should be, big monster ramp.
Rallying cover trade.
Right. And it's not.
Yeah.
But the Bulls have been beat up, so
Yeah.
I could see how they slowly creep out of their cave, and then hopefully we can get this gold band at 81.
Yeah. Go, Crude. You can do it.
Maybe stocks will get going and help it along.
Just hanging out near these highs. Haven't seen our good friend the short squeeze or algos kick in yet.
I'd like to see those. What was that first long? 31. God, like that one back, right? Kind of did what I thought it would do. It gets going, fails, and that's a typical 5-minute as long as we keep having higher lows.
Yeah.
We almost can go to 44, stop after this. 4 more minutes.
After this break of this high here, 54. There we go. Keep going, Crude. Come on, baby.
No.
We just went to stop to break even too soon.
Yeah, it sucks because I said it. It's
Yeah.
kind of like, you want to be prudent, but you know what? We'll make it up on this 50 center.
Yeah.
Or do you grab the 150 and re-trigger?
What do you think?
What?
As you
I was
say.
kidding.
Nope.
Yeah.
We were up 150 on that last trade, and we took a broke even. We're just not going to do that this time.
Right. No, it's prudent. I got it.
We'll make another 700 like we did yesterday. That's the goal, right?
Sure. Twist my
On a
arm.
one lot. We should be up. We should be up 400 right now.
Yeah, that's all right. Still early.
Yeah. We've got plenty of opportunities. Plenty, plenty, plenty.
Stuck in the mud though.
Yep.
If anyone else is long crude, I think it's going to this 70. Let's just say 70. Open Chris's.
Yeah, you can still see we're still pushing the highs here. Still a valid trade. I mean,
Well, I mean, taking profits that's the name of the game, right?
this broke guy said that once, right?
Wait, what was that?
This broke guy said you never meet a broke investor that took profits once, right?
Right.
What does he know, though?
It's gonna go, baby. Here we go. There's 70. Probably even get the 75 band.
Only
It's really
takes one,
this-
right?
What's that? Yeah,
Only takes one trade.
we're definitely in play for sure, catching those kind of trades. It was this bar here that really messed up but that happens about 50% of the time, I would say, in bottoms. Like you can see here, it was all wicky, and then you had that down candle that tested low, and then it just fell apart. Then you had a little bit stronger bullish candle, test the bottom, and then this first candle that didn't fall apart, that kind of was like, that got me on that second trade, thinking that this is going to the top band.
Yeah.
I don't have the snazzy lines like you have, but it is what it is.
Exactly. We are some resistance here at 75.
That's the 1 minute.
I don't even know what that chart is anymore. It's dead to me.
What chart?
The one
No,
minute?
I'm saying that's not the chart. That's the entry. It's interesting how it lines up with the similar numbers. The first one was 34, right?
Yeah.
Or what was it? 35?
Yep. Just add P to the P&L every day.
Mm-hmm.
And the week up a couple grand, you're having a good week.
One more sell-off, please.
One more drop before the pop.
No, the Nasdaq's it's percolating. Well, we should just do like the coordinate it, If both signal, then you're you
Yeah, exactly.
got a winner chicken dinner on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I answered it.
Okay. There goes the Nazi. He's sending triangle into resistance, right?
Oh, it's gonna rip.
In this picks.
It's going to. Oh shoot, we gotta go the hourly. I don't know. It'll trade 30 sometime today. Seems like it. So we might be out of time for that, but at least 10. Let me. All right. It's alive. May 10. Are you on mute?
Yep, I'm on mute.
Did you make 10? See the Skype?
One second. It looks like it, right?
Well, I'm just trying to compare. Does your ladder app say that?
60. Yep, 50 to 60. Yep.
So plus 200?
Yeah, yeah.
There you go. I'll just do 15 for the stop or what? Or
Go ahead for 10 on this. Just 10 cents.
no, but for the stop. 53, 68.
Look it
Shit.
up.
No. Wait, cancel.
I got it.
It was short too.
Oh, I made some money.
Yeah. Where was the entry?
53.
No, but where was the order?
What do you mean?
Was it a buy or a sell?
Short.
Okay.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the wrap-up call.
Yep. All right.